Plenty of room. Plenty of space. Stop clicking the mouse because this charming 2011 Dodge Nitro is the one-owner SUV you've been looking to find. This Nitro has plenty of passenger space and a hatch area with cargo room galore. Buy with confidence. All of our vehicles are put through a rigorous inspection and are fully reconditioned. Vehicle OEM priced wheels.